In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the cart icon on your Shopify Dawn theme. Now this is likely to work with other themes as well, but this is specifically for Dawn theme. As you can see here, I actually do have a custom cart icon here, and to change it is pretty simple, but it does require a tiny bit of coding. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we need to go over to our online store and go to themes. At this point, I would recommend that you go ahead and you duplicate your theme. The reason for this is so that if anything does mess up, you can easily go and revert it back to the old version. So click duplicate, and then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the duplicated version. Now, because I understand what I'm doing, I'm just going to work on the live one, but you would want to work on the copy. From here, we can go over to these three dots here, and we're going to click on edit code. And what you need to look for is where it says icon cart empty, and there's going to be one icon cart full. So we can type in icon dash cart, and you're going to see these two ones here, icon cart and icon cart empty. So these are the ones you're going to have to go ahead and replace. So if you look, I can preview, this is what it currently looks like, and this is the one that I've just changed the other one to. So to change it is very easy. We first of all need to go ahead and actually get ourselves an SVG file of the cart we want to change it to. There's many places you can get them from, some are paid, some are free. I'm just going to go into this website here just to give you an example. So let's say we want to change our cart to this one here. I need to go ahead onto it and I need to click it. So what you want to do is you want to copy the SVG code. To do that, click on copy SVG code, and it's going to look like a little piece of code which basically includes this. We can then go over to our icon cart empty.svg and we're going to paste in the code that we just got. It will look something like this, and we can hit save. Now, to make sure it's all worked, we'll click preview, and we can see there that is previewed the new cart icon that we've got. We can now go ahead and click on preview store, and we can see there is the cart icon has now changed. So that's pretty cool. And you can also do this for this one here. So I'd recommend having them so they're congruent. So you have one that's maybe empty and one that's full, just so it kind of makes sense for the user to look at. But I'd highly recommend just grabbing the SVG code, as that can be a little bit easier. So find a site like this where you can just grab the SVG code directly from the site. But there you go, that's how you do it, and it's very simple to do. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Now down below I've left a link to a completely free course / case study which shows you how I generated over £1.5 million with my food e-commerce brand. I'm not going to promise you overnight you'll be a wild success with this. I'm just going to show you the raw information and the raw strategies I use specifically to build my brand. So it's really valuable information, and as I said, it's completely free. So you can go down below, click on the link and join it.